Good day, everyone. My name is Rangelan A. Redero, the leader of this group. My members are Everlyn D. Guzman, Jasper Sibal, Charlene Apan, James Conrad Estrella. We're going to report the steps in the process of observation and interview method. Let's get started. Let's get to know the steps in the process of observation.
The first step, select the research site. This stage, the researcher chose a certain method, which is the interview method for gathering the data needed. We use this kind of instrument because it is the appropriate method to collect the data that we need, such as in-depth information on people's opinion, thoughts, experience, and feelings. For the second step, develop observational protocol. For this stage, while using interview method to research how we gather information related to the research that needs a complex questioning and considerable searching to the problem that must solve.
Focus the observation. Before writing any notes, think of what catches your attention. There will be a lot in the site, but focus your observation only on what will help you understand your research question. Observation is a systematic data collection which every researcher employs their senses. By observation, we were able to gather accurate information about people, their tasks, and their needs. Determine your role. What will you be as a researcher? You will be a participant observer or a non-participant observer. Therefore, the group of researchers will be divided into half. The other half will be the observer, while the remaining are proceeding to be the examiner of the participants. While the interview occurred, we will use our perception, our senses to document every answer or action of the individual to the questions we prepare. You need to know what role will going to fit you and what role will going to be the best for you.
Record field notes. These are recommended in qualitative research as we have documented needed information. During our active observation, the notes are intended to be read as evidences that give meaning and aids understanding of the study. Slowly withdraw. After the interview, the researchers will show appreciation for the participants on taking their time to answer the question.
And last for this report is steps in conducting a qualitative interview.
So for starters, participants should agree to do the interviews. It should be applicable and not offensive.
That's all.
If the information is sensitive, observation may be enough to pick up information. We will use structured interview because the questions are already made in advance and the same set of questions will be used for other participants. We can also choose if we want to do a one-on-one interview or a group discussion. We should give a permission letter to the participants if we can interview them, and if they agree with that, then we can proceed to do the interview session.
So for the starting question or guide question which we'll be asking to the interview about the research problem and the core discussion is the main organizing principle guiding the analysis of your paper. The problem under investigation offers as an occasion for writing and a focus that governs what we want to say. It represents the core subject matter of scholarly communication and the means by which we arrive at others' topic of conversation and discovery of new knowledge and understanding.
Conduct the interview. Check audio equipment before the interview. First, introduce yourself and the research being conducted to the participant interviewee. Stay on topic and to the time mentioned in the letter of permission. To check audio equipment to avoid malfunction. First, introduce yourself. Tell them about yourself, your research, why you conducted this research, why did you need to include them in your research. Stay on topic. Have only one specific topic. Stay on the topic no fluffy words, etc. And to the time mentioned in the letter of permission, be responsible of having interview for so that you will not waste your time, their time.
Closing instruction. In closing instruction, the researchers should thank the interviewee to giving their time to help about the study. The identity of the participant should be confidential and will delete the video interview once the study is ended.
This is an example of qualitative interview. This kind of method is interview method that we use in our research. First is the opening question, an exercise or warm-up question that we need while interviewing. Second is the concrete question that include what you need information of your research. Closing instructions is the last that you need while interviewing. It contains your appreciation on your participants in an interview and said or inform some information about what happened after the research, or if you are willing to have some samples of the research.